Hi, it's Dave with Regal Fabric Care. We're here to show you exactly what happens when we get a rug into our Boston area rug washing plant that has pet accidents, pet urine, cat urine, etc. on an oriental rug. This rug here we're looking at happens to be a machine woven rug brought to us from a customer because the odor was too great for them. The lights have been dimmed because what we're going to do is we're going to use this handheld UV light, ultraviolet light, which makes urine spots glow, which identifies to us where the urine spots are so we can treat them. So I'm going to give you an example. This has a lot of contamination on it, this particular rug. You can see I have the light directly on that spot, and you can see what's glowing here is the crystalline salts from the urine glows under these lights. That area right there is loaded with urine. There's a little here. As I move the light down this border of the rug, you can see it here, 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 and here. The customer decided to save it. They want to go forward with the cleaning. You can see it here. There's more here, and there's a lot of it here. You can see it glowing right there. What the UV light does, it helps us identify where the urine is so that we make sure we properly treat it. And what we're going to do is we're going to use what's in this great peel right here is an enzyme that we find is the best for cleaning these wool rugs. And what we do is we saturate it before the general wash. We saturate all these areas to the point where it goes right through. You have to penetrate all the way through the rug into the back. You let it dwell, then you would saturate the whole rug with water and detergents that are made for oriental rugs. And then you completely wash and rinse, and when the odor is gone, the problem's gone. Of course, there could always be staining, but that would be addressed separately. If you have questions about cleaning oriental rugs or about urine contamination on a rug, leave a message below. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you like our video, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.